Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact to 3commas support on PC. 3commas is a smart trading app that helps traders automate their strategies, manage risk and optimize profits across multiple exchanges. It acts like a personal trading assistant, allowing both beginners and experienced traders to save time and trade more efficiently. And 3commas is a cloud-based platform that connects to crypto exchanges such as Binance, Bybit and others. So in order to reach out contact on the bottom, open any of the web browser you prefer. In the top there's an address bar, type down 3commas.io and enter it. Over here what you can do is on the bottom right we can find there's a small assistant message icon. Click onto there. And over here you can find the assistant bot. What you can do is you can also select frequently asked question by the users here, or you can simply send a message there as well and they will reach out as soon as possible. You can ask a question here and over here the 3commas AI assistant will reach out to you and you can type down a message on issues that you have faced. You can simply go to this send icon here and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.